Matthew 1 serve as the opening chapter of the Gospel of Matthew, setting the stage for Jesus' life and ministry. Unlike other Gospels that begin with John the Baptist or Jesus' baptism, Matthew dives right into the Jesus' lineage. The chapter primarily focused on Jesus' genealogy, presenting him as the descendant of Abraham, King David, and ultimately God Himself. This lineage emphasizes Jesus' rightful heir status to the Jewish throne, fulfilling the messianic prophecies of the Old Testament. The genealogy is meticulously divided into three sections, each with 14 generations. First, Abraham to David, second, David to Babylonian exile, third, exile to Jesus the Messiah. This structure underscores the importance of the specific period and highlight God's faithfulness throughout the history. While the list of names might seem tedious the first glance, it holds profound meaning. It demonstrates that Jesus was not just a random figure but arranged from the specific lineage prophesied in the Old Testament. By establishing Jesus' connection to prominent Jewish figure, Matthew bridged the gap of his Jewish audience. He portrays Jesus as the fulfillment of their long-awaited Messiah. The chapter also subtly introduces Joseph and Mary. Although Joseph is not technically Jesus' biological father, he is presented as the one betrothed to Mary, highlighting his role as Jesus' legal father and guardian. Matthew chapter 1 concludes by mentioning Jesus' miraculous birth conceived by the Holy Spirit. These words serve as a segue transmitting trans transitioning from the Jesus ancestry to the extraordinary way entered into the world, which will be elaborate on this following chapter. In sense, Matthew chapter 1 lies the groundwork of understanding Jesus' identity and mission. It establishes his royal lineage, highlight the fulfillment of prophecies, and prove the way of the unfolding story of his life and ministry. God bless you, everyone.